Hello everyone, it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are taking a look at Ligaw. Ligaw. Ligaw ata, Ligaw as in courtship. And this is a movie starring Rob Ginto, Ali Asistio, JC Tan, and Rush Flores, with special participation from John Paul Dames and Jody Garcia. Ayun. So what is Ligaw? So this is a story of Dolores played by Rob Ginto na sexually deprived woman kasi ang kanyang asawa na ilang hinihint dito na mahal niya. Siyempre asawa niya 'yon. Paralyzed or hindi makalakad. Kaya ang hirap dito, hindi siya hindi parang weak yung kanyang sex life, okay, with her husband. And it results in her being attracted to most individuals or to certain individuals dito sa pelikula to, such that the special participation ni John Paul Dames saka ni Jody Garcia, they play the role of two hikers. Okay? Hikers sila, and more rather than that, tinake advantage nila yung gubat para makipagtalik. Nadatnan ito ni Dolores at dito kanyang pinaglaruan ng kanyang puday, at siya ay more likely na turn on sa ginagawa nung magjowa. Okay? Habang nandun sila sa bat at nagtatalik. This is I think this is the first appearance of Jody Garcia. I don't have any records of her within my review sa VMX, so I think she took the cake for having the best mature scene in this movie. I haven't seen a man suck the tits of the woman in a BMX film for a long time, and this is like a unique situation. Okay? Buti pumayag siya na magpalaro sa kanyang dibdib. Kasi madalas pag may nakikita akong ganung klaseng mga eksena sa mga mature scenes, ang napapansin ko is hindi lalaki sa babae sa babae yung pumapayag na magpasuso sa sa isang BMX sa bold movie, okay, sa isang BMX mature movie. And kaya ina-highlight ko to kasi it's first niya, and she shows the willingness to go over the top with her performance, di ba? Okay, before anything else, let's move on. Nakilala ni Dolores ang karakter ni Ali Asistio na si J-Ron. That's a weird. What's up? Si J-Ron, isa siyang physical therapist. At na-meet ni Dolores to by accident, and then they proceed to have sex. Nabanggit ni J-Ron na isa siyang physical therapist. And this would lead to a series of therapy sessions sa asawa ni Dolores, si Rodel. Okay? So, si Dolores, dinadala niya si J-Ron para magpa-physical therapy para pagalingin yung kanyang asawa. Ngunit, ang kapalit nito is nagkikipagtalag siya kay J-Ron every after session. Okay? So, sa umpisa, walang hinalay asawa na nangangaliwa na si Dolores. Pero ang karakter na si Rush Flores, nakakahalata. And binidyo niya ang isang isang instance na nagtatalik si Jayron kay Dolores para ma-blackmail niya si Dolores para makipagtalik rin siya sa kanya. Ayun. So, blackmail type na ligaw. Nagkataon na ginawang panliligaw na ito ni Jayron kay Dolores. Okay? Kahit may asawa na si Dolores. At dito na kuha yung parang, yun, where the title of the movie came from, ligaw, courtship. At niligawan ni Jayron, ni Dr. Jayron, itong si Dolores. Okay? Di alam natin masisisi, pero may asawa na kasi si Dolores. Di ko alam bakit pumayag siya na makipagtalik kay Jayron, pero tawag na rin siguro ng laman yun. Okay? Kasi kung titignan mo sa sitwasyon niya, sexually deprived itong si Dolores. Okay? At paralisado. Okay, so where are we? We're 6 minutes into the review. Pagdating naman sa sex scene ni Asistio sa kanil Dolores, okay naman. Medyo basic. It's a typical Rob Ginto affair. Okay? Ginagawa ni Rob Ginto yung kanyang mukha, yung kanyang signature look every time may kasek siya. And sasabihin ko, medyo boring, kaya bibigay ko kay Jody Garcia yung performance of the night dito sa pelikula na to. Okay? So okay. Anything to be noted in this movie? Ayun. So the final therapy session ni Dolores, Jayron sa ni Rodel, nag-camping after nun, binigyan ni Jayron ng baston itong si Rodel para makalakad siya mapunti. Okay? Binigyan siya ng baston. Sabi kasi yung baston, baka yung baston na yon medyo ano yun? Mahal, pero ang sinabi ni Jayron on the house naman at galing sa isa sa kanyang mga supplier. At ayun, nag-camping, inambush sila ni Rush Flores, ni Olan, yung pala pangalan ni Rush Flores dito, ni Olan. At ayun, doon nalaman na pina-blackmail na pala si Dolores. And pagdating sa And pagdating naman ayun, nakipagtalik or pinurse ni Rush Flores yung sarili niya makipagtalik kay Dolores, kay Rob Ginto. And ayun, nakatutok yung baril, may dalang baril itong si Olan, si Rush Flores, para pigilin na lumaban si Jayron. Okay? And furthermore, sa pagpigil nun, dumating to the rescue itong si Rodel. Naglalakad na siya. It turns out, alam na pala ni Rodel na niloko siya ni Dolores noon pa. At may isa itong brilliant piece of cinematography. Anong pinagsasabi ko? Meron kasi ditong shot na parang nag-first person view. Tapos biglang dumilim. So we assume na yun ay point of view ni Rodel na natatnan niya nakikipagtalik si Dolores kay physical therapist Dr. Jayron. And that was a brilliant parang maganda yung pagkaka-film. Diba? Point of view na nakita mo yung asawa mo nakikipag-sex sa iba. Ayan. another thing na gusto kong i-point out dito is ang pangit ng ending kay Rush. Parang binatukan lang siya ni Rodel tapos nawala na sa eksena. So, that was kind of anticlimactic anong mangyayari kay Rush. Hindi siya pinarel, wala lang. And then, nagpaypay lang si Jayron sa baryo. And it happens na I think it happens na it's over. Okay? Paano it's over? Ayun, tapos na yung pelikula. Nag-goodbye si Dr. Jayron saka si Dolores. Tapos si Dolores saka si Rodel nakipagtalik na. Actually, it happens na parang it just happens na medyo anticlimactic yung ending. Okay? Ayun. So, maganda naman yung pelikula. Okay? Maganda naman yung dating. Ang problema lang is medyo boring. Okay? Medyo boring mga sex scene. And the first scene na pwede ko masabing nag-peak is yung kay Jody Garcia nga, yung nagpasubsob sa kanyang daily on the first on the first ever show. And yeah, that's my review. Natapos ko ang only up ng Expedition 33. Then go back and head on to the other part of the story. Pero yeah, that's mostly what happened here on Ligaw. Tune in next Tuesday yata, for a movie that I am actually anticipating, the Jowa Collector. That is on Election Day. After Election Day, meron tayong review. Yeah, the Jowa Collector. I'm interested on what the age is, kung ano man tong pakulo nila. And yeah, this is your boy, God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you it's goodbye and good night. We're gonna review MMK after this. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.